We are taught a lie. If I just made more money, all my problems would disappear. But here is a shocking stat. In the US, 51% of people earning over $100,000 live paycheck to paycheck. How is that possible? How can you make six figures and have zero savings? It's a psychological trap called lifestyle creep. Let me tell you the story of Tom. Meet Tom. At 22, Tom just graduated. He got his first job paying $40,000. He drove a rusty Honda, shared a cheap apartment, and ate frozen pizza. He wasn't rich, but he was free. He had no stress. Fast forward 5 years. Tom gets a huge promotion. He's now making $100,000. He thinks, I made it. Time to treat myself. So, what does Tom do? He trades the rusty Honda for a brand new Tesla Model Y. That is an $800 a month payment. Tom didn't stop there. He moved into a luxury loft downtown. He stopped eating frozen pizza and started ordering Uber Eats every night. He upgraded his iPhone, bought a fancy watch, and joined an expensive gym. On paper, Tom is rich, but look closer. After taxes, rent, the Tesla, Tom has $50 left at the end of the month. He is exactly where he started, but now he has golden handcuffs. What happened to Tom? He fell victim to Parkinson's law. It states, expenses will always rise to meet income. If your mindset is broken, you will spend it all. You think you are buying happiness, but you are buying stress. The things you own end up owning you. So how do you escape? You must create the gap. The gap is the difference between what you earn and what you spend. Wealth is not your salary. Wealth is the money you didn't spend. If Tom kept living like he was earning $40,000, he would have $60,000 to invest. In 10 years, Tom would be a multimillionaire. Next time you get a raise, don't upgrade your car. Upgrade your freedom. Stop trying to impress people who don't care about you. Be boring. Live below your means. Invest the difference. Are you a Tom, or are you building real wealth? Subscribe right now if you want to master the money game.